We have different types of borders, such as borders for text, table, page border, or for objects such as pictures or shapes. If I select one paragraph and click on border, you could of course apply bottom, top, left, and right, no border, and we have all borders and outside. Here you cannot see the difference because we selected only one paragraph. But if I select multiple paragraphs and now highlight them, look at here, all borders and outside. In all borders, each paragraph will separate it with horizontal lines too, but outside only set the borders outside of that. And of course, you could add or remove one by one. I could click, let's say we don't want the right side, or no, add the right. For text, we don't have diagonal. Vertical is not gonna work even if you have columns in some situations, or wrap text you could only apply. I mentioned before about horizontal line. And in the borders and shadings, first step, borders, we have some settings, box, none, shadow, which will add shadow, 3D, not necessarily 3D, they are very old and didn't update. As I remember from Microsoft Office 97, they are exactly the same, or custom. The main important parts are between box and custom. Box, it will apply to the borders, all sides. You could choose the style, let's say something like that, the color, and width. Apply to, again, only the selected text or paragraph. No, paragraph is fine. And press OK. And still you could remove from here, but note that if I add again, because I was selected in the borders and shading as a box, they will be unified. In some cases, you might to have different. In this case, you could choose custom, then start do manually. Let's say this line with red color and maybe much thicker to be visible. I could click to update or remove, or simply click any size you'll see there. Let's say this one and something different for this side. Okay, and we have custom. And again, if I remove right and go back right, it will remember that. And finally, in the borders and shading borders, we could click on the options and set the margin from text here. I could add much more space. And okay. Now you will see there is margin between your text and your borders. This is different from spacing before or after the paragraph here. If I click on clear formatting, not only will remove your text format, also it will remove any paragraph applied format too. In the next video, I will talk about page border to wrap up this section.